Vape, and today I'm going to be showing you some old favorites that we brought back for a limited time. The Baby Mag 50-watt device, get that today, and also the Procolor, both by SMOK. Procolor is a 225-watt device, so come in and get those before they're gone. They are only back for a limited time. Also, we are restocked on our Breeze NXT devices by Aspire. And we are also fully stocked on our Breeze NXT mesh coils, so come in and get those before they're gone. Just a reminder, our new flavor of the week is Electrolar by Space Jam. You can save 20% on any bottle of Electrolar this week only in stores. And guys, come in and join our vape club today. You can save $5 and even more with our special vape club promo. So come on in, see us today. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and leave us a review on Google.